Honestly, I could drink this up in like 5 seconds.
I will see myself out.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be to film this video. I can't believe I just said y'all. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button to join my lovely family. I love you all so much. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. Please do click the bell button, because if you don't, YouTube's been playing up, you know, you'll maybe miss out one of my videos, so it would be really nice if you could click the bell button. With all that said, let's get on into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an iced latte, and not only an iced latte, but the best and also the easiest one ever. Like, it's so simple, quick and easy. I didn't used to like coffee and I'm hooked now. Like, I love it so much. So if you don't like coffee, try this out. You will probably like it. So just stay tuned if you want to know how to make the best iced latte ever. So the first thing you're going to need is some coffee and a mason jar with just a plastic straw. I use reusable straws just because it's so much better for the environment. So you're just going to want to take 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and put them in your mason jar. You can add more or less depending on how strong you want it. Once you've done that, you're going to want to add either some syrup, or if you want to be healthier, some honey. But I don't really care, so I'm just going to add some honey, and I normally add about a teaspoon, or a dessert spoon I think this might be called, about that amount.
My cat is really curious.
My cat is a little bit too curious, but once you've added your syrup or honey, you're going to add the boiled water. So I just add a few centimeters to the bottom. Watch out. About that much. Isn't she the cutest little cat? She's pregnant, so she's really fat. So all you're going to do now is mix all of that together. And obviously, if you want your iced coffee to be a bit more sweet, just add some more syrup or honey. So now we're just going to pop this in the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes. The reason why I put it in the freezer is just because I want to make it cool down faster. Once your coffee's been in the freezer for about 15 minutes, you just get a little bit of ice in a cup. So after I've added ice about halfway, maybe a little bit less, I will add some oat milk.